Now, something for all you commercial guys out there. Here we have two extendable 42 teeth ratchets available in 3/4 and 1-inch drive, each featuring a unique ratchet lock mechanism. This allows them to be used as a breaker bar. They can be extended from around 600 to 1000 millimeters in length and have 6 fixed positions. Both ratchets come in a polished chrome finish with milled handle. Two more products we're going to look at today. Firstly, the 3/4 drive extendable flexi head power bar featuring socket safety lock. The bar is extendable from 500 to 800 millimeters in length and can be locked in any position. Finally, we have this 3/4 drive ratchet, but this time we have a 72 teeth ratchet mechanism, a slimline satin body and a rubberized comfort handle. All available now from your Laser Tools stockist.